So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Developers Corner. So in this Mern series today what we are going to do is we are going to implement private routes, mean protected routes and open routes. And we will do some basic functionality like, so first of all what I am going to do is after successful login we have to redirect it to the home. So let's start. So let's see how we can do. So first of all we need state. So auth state is equal to use selector, inside use selector state, and it will return state dot auth. Okay, and after this dispatch we will check set timeout 300 if auth state dot is success is success. Let me check the state. Redux, go to okay, is success. Then we need to navigate. So let's call navigate. So const navigate is equal to use navigate. Okay, then here navigate it to home. So refresh it. So when we log in, if I enter the password and I click on login, it's not redirecting. Let me check auth. Okay, auth, go to console. Let me check why it is not working. Log auth state dot is success. Okay, go down, click on login, true. So now it is working. If I remove this console.log, let me check. Go to login my account, nd@gmail.com, enter the password, click on login. Yeah, now it is redirecting successfully. So this is done. Okay, so this is what we have to do. After that, one more thing we need to do is here we need to show the login details, mean user details. So go to header.js. Okay, pages, go to components, go to header.js. So here what we will do is we will call const auth state is equal to use selector. So state, it will return state dot auth. Okay, so state dot auth. Okay, go down, copy this, Control X, auth state dot user if not equal to or to equal to string, then we need to show this, otherwise Control C, Control V, welcome auth state dot user dot name, I think. Let me check. Inspect, go to redux, go to auth. Okay, first name plus last name, or simply we can show first name. Welcome mono. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Now this thing is done. Go to inspect, go to application, remove this data. Now refresh. We got error. Okay, here we need to provide this question mark. Okay, clear all these errors. So now if I check redux, go to auth. So here it is by default giving null. So login my account. Okay, this is fine. Now link to /cart. Okay, same thing we need to do. Control C, Control V. Otherwise don't do anything for now. Okay, so if I log in nd@gmail.com, enter password, login. Okay, it's not redirecting. Go to login.js, Control X, login again. Yeah, now it is working. Go to inspect, application, clear this local storage, refresh it again, click on login, enter your mail, password, click on login. Yeah, it's successfully redirected, and here we are getting our name. If I click, so yeah, for now it's working properly. So this is done. Now let's create protected routes and open routes. So inside src we will create a folder route, or you can say routing. Inside routing we will create two files: open routes.js, and there is one more file, private routes.js. Okay, so inside private route, what we will do is, first of all we will import navigate from React Router DOM. After that, export const private routes is equal to, we need to pass children. Whatever we will pass through these private routes now, so with the help of children we will pass inside it. So inside private routes, what we need is, we need const get token from local storage. Okay, is equal to local storage dot get item. Let me check. Inspect, go to application, customer. Okay, and after this it will return, or do one thing, log first. So log get token from local storage. Now go to app.js and here import private routes, control X. Let's say I am giving this card to private route. So private routes, and inside that we need to pass card. So let's check. Go to console. If I click to cart, so here I am getting this data. Okay, for now our cart page will not open because we have to do something more functionality. So local storage, okay, const get storage dot, if I do token, then it's giving undefined y. Do one thing, control X, json dot parse, control V. Okay, so now we are getting the token. So here what we will do is, if okay, get token from local storage dot token not equal to null. Okay, if not equal to null, oh sorry, we need to return it. Return, if not equal to null, then we need to pass the children, otherwise we need to navigate it to slash login, replace true. Okay, this we need to do. So go to application, close this local storage, refresh, go to console, cannot read properties of null token, give question mark. Okay, refresh, it's not redirecting. Why? Let me log get token dot token. Let's check what we are getting. Okay, give question mark, go to console, undefined, so give undefined here. So now if you click on card, so you guys can see it's directly redirecting to where? On login page. Now go to our store, go to, why it is not coming, inspect console. Okay, cannot read properties of reading length. Go to our store.js. Let's check where I am using length. Short by, okay, product card. Go to product card, components, product card. Let's check where is the length property. Control F, length. Go to header, Okay, card state. I think this one is not the problem. Single product, go to single product. Okay, here give question mark. Yeah, now we are getting the data. So here also we need to do select. If we do add to cart, so it's going to login page. Yeah, that's also fine. So login page, this is fine, this is also done. If we click on visits, let's go to app.js, remove this, give private routes and pass it. Same, we need to remove this, give private routes, pass this. Privacy policy, these all are not needed. Car checkout, wishlist need login. Yeah, so only these ones need login. So now we will create open routes. So here's, okay, do one thing, go to private routes, copy, paste, change it to open routes. Okay, same, we need to pass children. If not equal to undefined. So here we will do equal to undefined, then children, otherwise it will go to slash. Now go to app.js, and if we pass this login, control X, open routes, control V. So okay, don't do this. Let's go to sign up page, control X, open routes. This thing I am only show you for the example how open route works. So now what we will do, first we will login. So now we are on home page. So if I try to go on sign up and click, so it will redirect again it to home page. Okay, so like this we have to do. So this is fine. Sign up we don't have to show. Okay, single blog is not needed. Okay, blog, single product. Yeah, this is all what we have to do to create private routes and open routes. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and make comments. Thank you.